What's going on, my sexy YouTubers? Welcome back to RickyTube 365. This is a new RickyTube 365. Guys, today I'm gonna share with you that one specific tool that every filmmaker, every content creator, every blogger, every person who holds a camera, doesn't matter if you have a camera that has only one lens or multiple lenses, a camera that a point and shoot, a GoPro, doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you that one thing that you cannot, this is the one thing you cannot cheap out into, okay? And I think it's like less than $20. We all need this tool, guys. I just got it today, straight from Amazon Prime. Love it, love it, love it. What we got right here, guys? We got right here the Giotto's Rocket Air. So important, guys. New lens. Boom. I gotta tell you guys, you have no idea how many times I have found myself trying to shoot a video on a camera with a dirty lens. And then when I'm recording, I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to edit these videos. I zoom 200, 300, 400, and then I see, oh, what is this? Then I look at the camera, oh, and then that's the reason why I got this. So guys, this is the one tool that you as a content creator cannot afford to cheap out, okay? Make sure you get the original Giotto's patent. It's very good. It's very good. So and when I have to go into the sensor, I go with this right here. I go with the this one is for APS-C sensor cleaning swabs, okay? And I put almost half a drop into the front of the swab. I'm gonna show it to you, and of course I'm not gonna use it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna clean the A6300 sensor right now. So this is how I open it, okay? Let me take off the lens real quick. Make sure that you guys can see. Open this up. I'm gonna put a drop in here, right in the very front, and that's it. That's it, one drop. And then I'm gonna use the swab. I'm gonna go from right to left and left to right. I don't think you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna try. And here we go, guys. It's done. So a couple of things that I do. Is after I'm finishing with this, I put it back into the bag and I put it straight into the trash, because if you leave this hanging around, okay, at some point in your life, you're gonna be sure of these swabs and you'll be, oh, you know what, let me reuse that swab. It might not be dirty. So so make sure you do discard them, and then as soon as you start getting low, you got like 2 or 3 more, go to Amazon, buy yourself another pack. So anyway, guys, these are the two things that I think that you cannot cheap out with: the air blown rocket, and the sensor cleaning swabs with. And make sure that when you buy it, you buy it with the sensor cleaner. I don't know what this is made of, but it looks like it's some kind of soapy solution. I really don't know. Don't quote me on that. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.